Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my kitchen as well. Today we are going to be making steak with mushroom sauce. Our accompaniment will be some mashed potatoes and some steamed broccoli. If that is your kind of content, stay tuned to the end because this is going to be a very interesting video. And just that you know, my name is Marwa and welcome to my kitchen. So first things first, I'll be marinating my steak. This is T-bone steak. So I'll be marinating this and give it a few minutes in the fridge as I prepare the rest of the vegetables for it to be fully marinated. Look at it, it's so nice. This is our spice mix of the day. In here I have some oil, I have some marinades, some ginger, some garlic, yeah, and I'll also be using this new spice that I'll be trying out.
Moonlight spills across the floor, shadows whisper they want more.
So step one is done. I have my steak here well marinated. I use this marination mix that I prepared some time back. It has cooking oil, it has ginger, garlic, and some more spices. And I also added this American barbecue rub to my steak. I'll have this in the freezer for a few minutes as I prepare my mushroom, clean it up, as well as my broccoli florets, clean them up and prepare my cookware. If this is your kind of content, remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Let us continue growing. And for my returning subscribers, Manze, you have been so amazing. I love you so much. So let's prepare this and make that sauce. This is the next step. After you have prepared your mushroom, you make them. So I'm going to be frying my onion in butter. I'll be using Brookside salted butter and just a little amount of cooking oil. I will be adding my mushroom here and give it some time to soften up and golden up. But before that, I'll go in with this garlic powder. You can as well use the real garlic cloves, and I'll also go in with this a pinch of salt. Mix this up until everything is well melted and the onion is almost golden brown. The garlic powder will mix in with the butter very well, and this will also enable your mushrooms to have enough, taste and flavor. If you do not have butter, it is okay. You can just use the normal cooking oil or any kind of oil you have. But this process, the part of just browning everything up is really important. I'll then add in my mushroom. Stir everything in. Since cooking is an art, you can add more spices if you prefer them. You can have any kind of maybe your favorite spices. You can have paprika, you can have more garlic, you can have onion powder, any kind of spices you need to add into your mushroom cream. Since cooking is also an art, you can as well eliminate some of the recipes or some of these ingredients that you don't want in your cream. So let me know what you'd add in. I went in with the black pepper. For me, I love how black pepper brings out the color and the taste in the flavor in the cream. Working on getting a more detailed steak recipe. This was quick, but the steak was so juicy, super tasty, super flavored. You can marinate it over the night. You can marinate it for the longest time possible. This was amazing. It's a 10 over 10 minus nothing.
Light spills across the floor. Shadows whisper that they want more. My heartbeat echoes in the dark.
this is the final result. It looks so good, tasted even better. If you love this kind of content, remember to hit the subscribe button. Try this recipe, let me know how you like it. YouTube thinks you should check out this playlist. It's amazing, more recipes. And until next time, adios.
Whisper